Mexican officials announced that healthcare workers will receive top priority when the country receives its first doses of the Pfizer vaccine this month and other vulnerable populations in the following months. CNN Matt Rivers reports the story from Mexico City, the center of the country's outbreak.
Well, we know that vaccines are big news all across the world right now, and the same thing applies here in Mexico, especially after what we heard from the government on Tuesday morning. Officials announced part of their strategy for their vaccine distribution program, announcing that some 250,000 doses of Pfizer's vaccine will arrive here in Mexico this month. After that, 1 million doses of that same vaccine will arrive each month from January to March, and then in April some 12 million additional doses of Pfizer's vaccine will arrive here in Mexico. The government says that it is prioritizing healthcare workers. They will be the first group to get access to this first round of vaccines, followed by those people who are age 60 and higher. But I think it's worth talking about the timing of all of this in a reality check sort of way. Consider that those doses will be roughly enough to vaccinate only about 7.6 million Mexicans out of a total population of roughly 130 million Mexicans. Also, the government is saying that it hopes to vaccinate roughly 75% of its population age 16 and higher by the first quarter, not of next year, but of 2022. Now, of course, the option exists for Mexico's government to try and bring in more vaccines from sources apart from Pfizer. It's something they're actively working on, but at least what has been officially announced so far, enough to vaccinate roughly 7.6 million Mexicans to start. Matt Rivers, CNN, Mexico City.